Here we go. Okay. Riley eating cereal. Wait. What? Num num num. Num num num. Num num. So, do you think we like it? Yes, we like it. Do we? He doesn't want to let go of the spoon. Your very first cereal. Besides the stuff we tried to give you in your bottle and you didn't like. You gotta move your hand. You gotta move your hand. Oh. We like it. We like the cereal. Num num. You're so silly. To the last bite. Then we try the applesauce. Oh. Num num. Num num. Let's try the applesauce. Let's try the applesauce. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh. What is that? What is that? You can't grab this spoon? A little bit more? Here. You want to go back to cereal? You want some cereal? Num num num. Num num. Num num num. Is that good stuff? You like that? You like that? Say num num num. Make you some more cereal? So we'll make you some more cereal? Oh, too much. Too much. Just a minute. Just a minute. Oh, not enough. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Put some applesauce in it? Yes. Just a little bit more. Just a minute. Just a minute. Mama's making some more. Wait. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Here. Nummy. Oh. You made a mess out of that one. Here it goes. What?
What are you doing, Frowny?
I'm feeding him cereal.
Look at him. He's so happy for cereal.
He's so happy for cereal.
Look at him.
Riley. Riley. Are you done? I think you're done.
You need cereal, huh?
I think you're done. Oh, maybe not.
Look at him.
He's messy, huh?
We need to buy lots of food for Riley to eat so he can be happy and yummy.
Mm-hmm.
I can't drink milk all day.
You can't drink milk all day. I know.
And Coke either.
And Coke either. I know. You drink too much too fast. Oh. Can you go get a washcloth out of my closet, please? One of Riley's washcloths? Walk slowly.
What is it? What looks like? What is
The one
it?
that I give him a bath with.
Oh, that's it. Where is it?
In my closet by Riley's stuff. Oh. Num 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 num. Are you done? All done. More? Oh. We gotta find baby spoons, huh? We gotta find the baby spoons. They're around here somewhere. In a box. You're looking done. You're looking done. Say, all done. Say, all done.